Well, pulling the pin. Alright, what the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here today. It's an awesome day. Little warmer, 37. I got my hat on because I've been freezing the last 3 days, but I gotta take it off in the truck. Anyways, I think that I have decided I'm gonna sell the trailer. I'm selling the hotshot trailer. We are moving on to bigger and better things. The way I looked at it is, if I ever need one ever again, we'll just go get another one. I think I paid like $7,400 for this thing out the door. Was like the final invoice price, $7,400. So I used it for what, half a season? Half a season. You guys seen it, you know, day one when I got it. I'll put that video here. And then I used it up until December. Okay, so that's not that long. It's practically brand new. It's a 2019 model, title in hand. I think I'm gonna sell it because that money could be used to build the channel or for another diesel or for something like that. I don't know. If we ever need another trailer, we'll get another one. But anyways, today we're headed to our spot because we're prepping the trailer for sale. We got to go wash it. There's like weird mud on it and stuff, and we're getting it ready to sell. That's it. I guess it's time to do that. It's weird. It's fully officially closing the chapter, but we're moving on. Let's go. Check this out. Old stogie. It was a little tricky. Look at that Chevy.
Brett just rolled his ankle real bad on the curb. All right, guys, we made it to the garage. Trailer is clean. The thing's literally pristine. 2019 Lamar 24-footer with the 4-foot dovetail, monster ramps, wheels, tires, everything's very, very legit. The deck is borderline brand new. There's no chips, scrapes, scratches, cracks, nothing. All very, very legit. I mean, you guys practically seen me use this a lot on the channel. All of the hitch and everything is all very, very nice. Everything's in great condition. Title in hand. So I bought the thing for like $7,400 or something out the door was, I think, the final invoice price for the actual trailer. I'm probably going to list it for like $6,400. So I'm offering it to the YouTube channel. Anyone out there, you know, interested in buying this trailer, I'll meet you. We'll make a video out of it. We'll drive it. We'll try to, I mean, we're not going to drive it across the country, but like we'll go kind of far, and we'll, you know, meet up with you, and you can buy the trailer if you guys are interested. It's been on the channel. If you see me use it, it's been a great thing. We just decided that we're going to sell it and put the money back into the channel. So yeah, there you go. YouTube channel gets first dibs. Let me know. I forgot to tell you, it's a 14K trailer, so it's a 14K GVW. It weighs just under 4,000, so you can put probably 10.5 on the deck while still being legal. As soon as we start messing with vehicles, as soon as I started messing with vehicles when we had our shop and we're doing stuff now on YouTube, you become the family mechanic, right? I'm not a mechanic, but we're the family mechanic. So my pap has an exhaust leak or something in their vehicle. So we're gonna fold the ramps now. We're gonna pull it halfway on, and we're gonna crawl underneath to see if we can find the leak. We got ramps in the garage, but that's no fun. We're gonna use the trailer one last time. Alright, so my plan kind of worked. Pull it on the trailer a little bit to get underneath. We're on the hunt for an exhaust leak. It's not up there. It's right here. I think there's a gosh dang hole in the muffler. Yeah, the seam on the muffler split. I can feel the air coming out right there. So we know what the problem is. We need a new muffler. So now what?
AutoZone.
AutoZone. Alright guys, so we used the trailer the final time. I think that's probably gonna be my final time ever using the trailer. So yeah, there it is. It's cold. We're literally freezing in the garage here. We got the Chevy behind us. The tent's looking sick. You guys don't seem to care about the Chevy though. But I don't know, that's it for today. I have decided to sell the hotshot trailer, so it'll go on Facebook Marketplace. You can look me up on Facebook here. If anyone's interested, contact me on there. And then like I said, we'll meet you. If you guys are interested, you're serious about the trailer, we'll meet you wherever you're at. We'll make a video about it. It'll be cool. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that little bell notification so you guys are notified when we post. We're pretty much posting every day, which is cool. Someone's calling me. I'm starting to ramble now. We're probably going to take the Chevy for a quick drive just to make sure the battery doesn't die. It's absolutely freezing. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.